Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Amin, and welcome to my channel, The Forefront. Today, we are going to talk about the major issue that I have with my iPad Pro 2020. Guys, it is bending again. I know Apple claimed that this is something usual, this is not a manufacturing defect, but this seems to cause a host of other issues in my iPad Pro 2020. So here's the story so far. I received my iPad Pro on the 1st of April, and within a couple of days, I noticed that it was slightly bent towards the edges. Now, I was pretty okay with using it since the company claimed that this is during the heating and cooling process and does not impact the overall functionality of the iPad Pro. However, this was not the case with my iPad Pro. The device started to heat while I'm watching videos in the Apple TV app, plus when I keep the device for charging. It was only in the Apple TV app, while the issue was not there when I'm watching videos in YouTube and Netflix and so on. But I can still give the benefit of the doubt because it could be an app related issue. The same thing happened when I keep the device for charging. It started to heat, though it was not so extreme, but it started to specifically heat on the logo at the back of the device. And the heating issues while watching videos in the Apple TV app was in the place where the Apple Pencil attaches. We have the magnet right on that section, and I didn't expect this device to heat because I've seen a lot of videos where a lot of YouTubers go ahead and use this and abuse this device to the core, where they edit videos, use Photoshop. But I really lost it when this happened. I was watching a movie in the Apple TV app and the screen suddenly went haywire and I was not able to access it completely. As you can see, I tried doing so many things and it started behaving weirdly. So I tried to just leave the device and quickly take a video just in case the Apple executives asks me what's wrong with the device. I can show them that this is what it is. So I locked the device and tried to unlock it again, and it was showing a black screen with some lines on it. And I was really disappointed with this, but I'm not entirely sure if this is because of the bending issue. And it was not just once but several times where the screen goes off or either behaves very weirdly and shows gray lines, black lines while you're watching video or while you're browsing. It's weird and it's very disappointing to see such an expensive product behaving like this. I didn't expect an iPad Pro to behave like this, but in case anybody else is also facing similar issues, please do leave us a comment, and I've already highlighted this to Apple. So here's another case where I was trying to do some analysis and I wanted two Excels. So I was using my iPad as a second screen, and the screen just went haywire and I couldn't really do anything. I was literally struggling with the screen. So I was just trying to lock the device and unlock again, and nothing happened. Here's another case where I was reading something online and the screen just went gray white again with some lines on it. I didn't do anything. I didn't want to lock, so I just kept this device aside to see what actually happens. And within a couple of seconds, the screen came back. So here you go. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel and please share your comments, and please do let us know in case you run into similar issues with your device. Take care, be safe, peace.